So I do a little creative coding, and I've been working on this little blob thing for a while. What I'm doing is I use code and I use a programming language called P5JS. I superimpose these little small circles based off a percentage. If a value is like 33%, then it takes up 1/3 of the circle. What I do is I slowly rotate the shape, but I also change the corners of each of the circles. Because what this is, a circle is essentially like a whole bunch of little points. I take each of those points and I just expand or subtract depending on a random number. And I could change like how wild that happens. The whole idea is that it's supposed to be generative. And so like every time you look at the experience, it's never going to be the same, which I think is pretty cool. Kind of gives like a liveliness to the data. It's pretty effective at telling the difference between two things. Like here's an example of like chicken versus beef, or like an Oreo versus a piece of broccoli, or like some salmon and some shrimp. But yeah, I'm going to continue experimenting with it.